Yo, what are you doing? Hey, why were you on the ground? What are you eating?
What was that? Hey, don't you ignore. What did you just say?
I'm not gonna mind my own business. I don't know what you're doing on the ground.
You shouldn't be on the ground, you're a bird. What? What are you? You're a lizard? You think you're a lizard? You're a wizard, Harry.
I got 2 cameras, Maverick.
What do you think?
Maverick. What? You don't like it? Oh, your camera's shy all of a sudden with 2 cameras. Get out of here. Don't say that ever again.
Good morning, Maverick. Hi. Well, hello. Hi. Great. How'd you sleep? What? Wonderful. Yeah. Oh. Really? Wow. I mean, it's an opinion, but... Ladies and gentlemen, if you're thinking about getting a parrot, I need you to know something. They chew things. They chew everything. Look at, you destroyed the door, Maverick. You did this. You did this. This door will never be fixed. It will never be the way it was because of this orange little bird. You can't hide, Maverick. Buddy, I need help. No, I need someone to shoot my videos. I know you're a bird. Can you maybe shoot them? What? You can't shoot them because you're a bird? Okay. Good morning, hello. Doing a science experiment today. You jealous? Yeah, that's what I thought. Always jealous. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ha! Morning, little parrot. What? You're just jealous I get to play with a kangaroo. You're just jealous I play with a kangaroo. Be jealous. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm showered, I'm cleaned off, I'm ready to go. The problem is, I don't know if Wampa the Mexican upstairs is, so unfortunately, I have to go wake him up. Okay, enough chit chat. It is time to get the day started, so let's go say what's up to Maverick. Good morning, Maverick. How you doing, buddy? What's up, well? About what? What'd you say? Yeah, it is my last day. Yeah, I'm a little bit sad. I'm gonna go shower. I know! I agree. I don't know why I let him stay here. I'm gonna go shower. I know! You're always right. Yeah, you knew it. He knew it. What up, G? What? You gotta stop with this meth thing, bro. This is bad. We could get in a lot of trouble. What? No, it isn't. It's very illegal. Arnie, you know about the kid coming? Yo, what do you think? Dude, okay. That makes me... You're making me nervous, bro. Hopefully we can trust this kid. No, because it's not just me, it's you too. Alright? Now give me a kiss. Is that my boy? But he's in his cage because I didn't want him to attack the maids. How you doing? How you doing, cuz? Dude, no. No. That's why I put you in your cage. I'm letting you out. Calm. There you go, buddy. Be free. Yes. 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 That's what I'm saying. I love you, buddy. Give me a kiss. How you doing, Mav? Looking like a man, huh? What? Yes, I am. I have a beard and a robe. Does it get much better than what? Yo, you got some freaking balls saying that to me, cuz. You little parrot. Mwah. I love you too, buddy. Hi. How are you? What? Wait. People... You don't think people like my nipples? Oh, snap. Maybe I'll put a shirt on. Did my boy take a bath this morning? Did you? I know, I can tell. Yo, you look good, bro. Yeah, nice and clean and stuff. Mwah. I'm gonna go work out, so I'll see you in a little bit. You know who we did not say what up to? My boy! Yeah, I know, it was amazing. I know. I don't know, I hear the sirens too. Someone must be dying or something. I know, shut up, sirens! It was so much fun, dude. Utah was amazing. I know, you can't come because you're just a bird. No, you can't snowboard. You can't, buddy. I respect the tenacity, but you cannot snowboard. Wow, you're my boy. You know that. That's my boy. Wait a second, where's my bird? Oh, hey, buddy. What? What did you say? No. I just came down to ask you what I should vlog. Where you going? Come on, where you going, bro? Maverick. No, what should I vlog? Give me something. What? What did you just say? Hey. The guy with the beard. That's a good idea. Yeah, I know, I'm going today. Good morning. I'm going to. Today. I know. That's where I'm going. Okay, you don't need to dick about it. Stop! You're hurting my feelings. I'm going to the gym today. I'm going in the gym today. Yeah, bro, we're gonna be roommates in Atlanta. Crazy, right? What? What'd you say? What are you? Not that bad. Morning. Yeah, hi. What? What'd you say? Whoa, that's quite the opinion. Okay, yeah. Okay, yo, I get it. Oh, can you just quiet down for 1 second? Actually, I need to say what's up to him. Hey, yeah, hi, how are you? We're about to start shooting, so I'm gonna need silence on set. Oh, yo! Oh, God! Yo. Ah! Ah! Oh, God, this is bad, yo. You're trying to kill me. Yo, he hates you, bro. What? Were you touching his butthole? He hates that, bro. You can't do that. Freaking everyone comes over and the first thing they do is try to touch his butthole. And I gotta put like signs up or something because he hates me. That's my boy. That's my boy. How are you? What? No! You say something like that. Getting a little suspicious. Alright? Easy, boy. Easy. Easy, boy. Easy. Maverick, I'm gonna need you to get in your cage. Okay, Maverick, see, this isn't gonna work, buddy. Dude, we gotta go to Los Angeles. Cool? You gotta be a Hollywood parrot again. Cool. He nodded. That's approval. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna put you in your cage, okay? Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna have to, okay? I'm sorry, bro. Back to Hollywood, Maverick. Good birdie. Did you hear that? That was a squawk of desperation. I know. He doesn't like his cage. Hey! Hi, buddy. Whoa, down, boy. Hey. I had a good workout, yeah. Oh, no, it was something else. Some people were bothering me, but I'm fine. Yeah, I know. It happens, you know? I love you, buddy.